Welcome back, everyone. Today's explainer is a really fun one. We're putting on our detective hats to take a highly speculative, high-energy visual walkthrough of what might be coming down the pipeline for the automotive world, the heavily anticipated 2027 BMW M2. So let's just jump right in because we've got some fascinating visual clues to unpack, and I want to guide you through exactly what these teasers might be telling us about the future of this iconic car.
So the big question framing our entire analysis today is simply this. What exactly is BMW cooking up for 2027? You know how it goes. When an automaker prepares a refresh or a new iteration of a massive fan favorite, they almost never show us their full hand right away. Instead, we get hints. We get visual rumors. We get little teasers that demand a closer look. And that is exactly what we're going to do today. Break down the specific visual hints we've been given to see if we can decode BMW's playbook for the 2027 M2.
Just look at this preview we've got here. It's practically screaming for attention. We've got this incredibly striking bright green BMW M2 just carving its way along a scenic road. I mean, it looks fast even sitting still in a photograph. But beyond the gorgeous shot, what really jumps out is that massive, bold yellow text on the left asking, "What's new?" right alongside a prominent preview tag on the right. Whoever put this together isn't just showing off a fast car. They've built a visual map specifically designed to tease us. They're challenging us to spot the differences, giving us three very specific pointed arrows that hint at potential updates for the 2027 model year.
Let's strip away that beautiful canyon background for a second to clearly list out the three specific rumors identified in the preview. Based on those annotations, we're looking at three unconfirmed visual updates. First, an updated grille and fascia. Second, a new lightweight roof. And third, new wheel designs. Now, the absolute key here, and I really want you to notice this, is the question mark at the end of every single one of those bullet points. Our source is deliberately framing these not as hard facts, but as highly probable visual rumors. They are teasing what might be changing, so let's take these one by one and really examine the evidence.
First up on our list, examining the front fascia.
What's really interesting here is exactly where that lower left arrow lands. Direct your eyes right to the front end of this vibrant green M2. The arrow drops down from the text updated grille and fascia and points right into the heart of the car's front bumper and that polarizing split kidney grille structure. Right now we can see those squared off, super aggressive lower air intakes and the horizontal slats within the main grille. It's a very blocky, muscular design language that completely dominates the front profile of the car as it hugs the asphalt.
But why the question mark, right? The text specifically says updated grille and fascia. By pointing right at this area and adding that punctuation, it's suggesting that the muscular, blocky layout we just looked at might actually be in for a revision by 2027. Are they going to soften those hard edges? Will the air intakes grow even larger or maybe take on a totally different geometric shape? Honestly, knowing recent BMW design trends, literally anything is possible when it comes to the grille. That question mark emphasizes just how speculative these changes are, urging us to keep a really close eye on the front end of any prototype mules that might start popping up.
Moving on to rumor number 2, the lightweight roof.
Cast your eyes to the very top of the vehicle. We have a second arrow swooping down from the text new lightweight roof and pointing directly at the M2's roof panel. Notice how the roof is a distinct dark color, sharply contrasting with that vibrant green paint on the body. It creates this really sleek two-tone aesthetic. But that arrow strongly suggests there is way more to this dark panel than just a stylistic color choice. Let's dig into the mystery behind this specific text overlay. Again, we see that vital question mark. Look, in the high-performance car world, a contrasting dark roof usually implies the use of lightweight materials, most commonly carbon fiber. Ripping out a standard metal roof is a classic engineering cheat code to lower the car's center of gravity and shave overall weight, which massively improves handling and agility. By explicitly calling this out as a new, lightweight roof with a question mark, we have to wonder, is the 2027 model getting a revised carbon fiber structure? Is it going to be standard out of the box or a pricey optional package? It's a rumor pointing directly to potential performance enhancements hidden right in plain sight.
And finally, rumor number 3, fresh wheel designs.
Guide your attention to the lower right side here. The final arrow points right at the front wheel of the M2. Because the car is captured absolutely blasting through that canyon road at speed, the wheels are just rapidly spinning, rendered as this energetic metallic blur of motion. And the text pointing to this blur asks, new wheel designs? I absolutely love how this detail is handled. By pointing to a wheel that is totally blurred by motion and asking new wheel designs, they are leaning so heavily into the anticipation. We literally cannot see the intricate details of the spokes, the exact finish, or the hub design because the car is moving way too fast. We're forced to imagine what that stationary wheel design might actually look like based entirely on this tease. It's a brilliant way to spark curiosity. Are we getting intricate multi-spoke alloys, the kind that are an absolute nightmare to clean? Or maybe a bold, minimalist 5-spoke design? It's completely up to our imagination, confirming only that new designs are very likely on the horizon.
Section 4. The road ahead.
And this brings us to another look, which shows the M2 in a completely different, unannotated light. Just look at the dynamic energy here. The bright green M2 is speeding past us, framed by a dirt-lined road and a steep, blurred hillside in the background. The motion blur on the background and the wheels really communicates this incredible sense of raw speed and power. Without all the arrows and text overlays, we can just take in that aggressive stance. We see how that blocky front fascia pushes through the air. It's a powerful visual statement, reminding us exactly what this car is meant to do: be driven and driven hard.
Which brings us to the end of our analysis, and I really want to leave you with a final thought to ponder based on everything we've looked at today. We've decoded the visual rumors, the potential tweaks to the aggressive grille, the whispers of a new lightweight carbon roof, and the total mystery of the fresh wheel designs. But the ultimate question is this: are these visual updates going to be enough to keep the M2 dominating its highly competitive class? Are these teased, subtle refinements the absolute perfect evolution for 2027? Or were you secretly hoping for something a bit more radical? That's the beauty of decoding these early previews. It leaves us hungry for the official reveal. Thank you so much for joining me on this deep dive into the visual hints. Until next time, keep your eyes on the road and stay curious.